Hello, everyone. My name is Rashid, and I am a student. Today, I want to share my full daily routine with you, just like I live my day from morning to night. Every morning, I wake up early because I like to start my day fresh. As soon as I open my eyes, I thank Allah for a new day and sit up slowly. Then I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for school. After that, I eat a simple breakfast, usually bread, tea, or whatever my family prepares. Before leaving for school, I always check my books, notebooks, and homework. I make sure everything is in my bag so I don't forget anything important. When I am ready, I leave the house and start my journey to school. Sometimes I walk with my friends, and sometimes I go alone. The fresh air in the morning makes me feel energetic. When I reach school, I greet my friends and teachers. Then I attend the morning assembly, where we stand in line and listen to important announcements. After the assembly, I go to my classroom and prepare for the lessons. My classes start with English, math, science, social studies, or other subjects. I always try to listen carefully and understand what the teachers explain. If I have any confusion, I write it down and ask later. I believe every day is a chance to learn something new. After a few periods, we get a short break. During the break, I eat some snacks, drink water, and talk with my friends. We share stories, laugh, and sometimes discuss our homework. This short break gives us energy for the next classes. Then we continue with more lessons. Some classes are easy, some are difficult, but I try my best in all of them. At lunchtime, I open my lunchbox and enjoy my food. Lunch break is one of my favorite times because I can relax a little and enjoy with my classmates. After lunch, we have the remaining classes of the day. Sometimes we do group work, presentations, or reading activities. These activities make learning enjoyable. When school is finally over, I return home. The moment I reach home, I change my clothes, wash my hands and face, and eat something light if I feel hungry. After that, I rest for some time to refresh my mind and body. In the afternoon or evening, I start studying again. I complete my homework, revise my lessons, and sometimes watch educational videos if I need extra help. I believe regular study is important for good results. After studying, I spend time with my family. Sometimes I play, sometimes I watch videos, and sometimes I help at home. This time keeps me relaxed and close to my family. At night, I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day, share our experiences, and enjoy our time together. Before going to sleep, I check my bag again and prepare everything for the next day. Then I thank Allah for the day and go to bed. This is my full daily routine. Thank you all for listening to my story.